How to switch between profiles in Facebook mobile app. If you want to switch between Facebook profiles or accounts on the mobile app, the process is quick and user-friendly. Start by opening the Facebook app and tapping the menu icon, usually represented by three horizontal lines in the bottom right corner of the screen. At the top of the menu, you'll see your name and profile photo. Tap on that to access your account options. From there, you'll see an option labeled Switch Profiles. Tap it and Facebook will show you any other profiles or professional accounts that are already connected to your app. Simply tap the one you want to switch to, and Facebook will instantly take you to that account's feed, allowing you to post, comment, and browse just like you normally would. Just a few taps and you're logged into the exact profile you need. And that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.